Today's Thomas Index Report is sponsored by LaFell Manufacturing, an ISO-certified small business specializing in precision tubular products for aerospace, defense, and commercial applications. Welcome to the Thomas Index Report for the week of January 6th. With the fourth quarter of 2019 now behind us, today's index, the first of 2020, will delve into the sourcing trends for the top products and services sourced by volume on the thomasnet.com platform in Q4. We'll also look at the products and services that saw the biggest increase in sourcing activity in Q4 year over year. While you're following along with today's index, note that these top categories are from the over 70,000 product and service categories on our sourcing and supplier selection platform. I'll show the top 5 in each list, but to see the full list of all 20 top products and services, download our free 2019 Q4 sourcing activity ebook linked at the end of the video. Let's get started with the top 5 products by sourcing activity volume at thomasnet.com. Our data shows that in Q4, these were steel, printed circuit boards, packaging, lumber, and automation equipment. Considering recent tensions with China over the ongoing trade conflict, it's not surprising to see industrial buyers looking for new domestic steel suppliers to meet their needs. Additionally, the increased sourcing activity for automation equipment is being fueled by the rapid rise of Industry 4.0. Integrated automation technologies on the shop floor can optimize production, speed processes, and provide opportunities for human workers to focus on more thought-intensive responsibilities rather than labor-intensive or potentially dangerous tasks. Next, the top 5 services sourced by volume on our platform over the last quarter were CNC machining, plastic injection molding services, metal fabrication, additive manufacturing, and third-party logistics. Additive manufacturing saw particularly strong growth over the last quarter as 3D printing became more prevalent across a diverse range of industrial processes and production stages, including everything from designing and prototyping to short-run production and massive 3D printed components. Finally, let's look at the categories that saw the biggest increase in sourcing activity in Q4 2019 over Q4 2018. Topping the list is packaging and packaging equipment, followed by roofing cables, construction contractors, and electronic equipment and devices. To learn more about what our data shows for products and services with the highest sourcing activity over the past 3 months, download our free 2019 Q4 sourcing activity ebook now. I'm Tony Uphoff, and this is the Thomas Index Report.